Hey everyone, this is our last and final step to create our poster for our animal and STEM career poster. We started last week on we were learning a little bit about veterinarian careers, one of our STEM careers, but we're creating a poster for the different types of vet care. And so what we want to do now, as you can see, I I've created a border around the images here of the animals, and I'm going to create a second border. I'm going to select the border right here, if it'll let me. Oh, there it is. Okay. So what you can do is you can select the different lines, and you can use whatever color you like. If you want to make it a little bit thicker, you can do that. That's a little too thick, but anyway, so it's up to you, and you can change the color. I think I'm gonna make all of the these borders, I think I'm gonna make them all red, and I'm gonna go around and change the width as well. I think I had 3 points for those right there, but anyway, now you don't have to use the color red. You don't have to use the weight that I'm using. I'm using this because that's what I like. I want you to, use the type that you like. I'm just showing you the different tools that we have here so that you can create your border the way that you want it to. And I'm going to kind of get this going around and around and around. But like I said, if you want to use a different color, then use a different color. Just have fun with it. Just take your time. Um, I always say be consistent. So whatever you decide to choose, be consistent because you want it to be attractive to to your audience. You want people to say, be pleasing to the eye. And I'm almost finished here with this. These are last couple. Now what we're going to do is after we have all of the border in, we're going to add another sentence, and that sentence is vet care for all. And that's just a little motto I decided to put. If you want to put something else, you can. You don't have to put that, but I decided to do that because I think it's pretty cool because that's basically what this post is all about, is vet care for all. We have the small, large, equine, avian, exotic, and dental categories of animal care. And that's what this poster is all about. Now, wanted to say, if you wanted to make this a little larger, go ahead and do that. I don't want you to think that you have to use the size that I'm using. This is just an example. All right, so down here at the bottom, I'm going to place my cursor right here on the edge of the table, but I'm going to press enter a couple of times, and I'm going to type vet care for all. And we're talking about the different types of animals we have. Want to highlight it, and then let's go to our align. Let's go up to the ribbon to where the center line is, and then we can change the font if you want to, just like we've done before. I'm gonna change the font and see. Yeah, I like that. That looks nice. I like that. That really looks nice. Okay, so we have our posters looking really nice. And if you want to change the text color here, that's fine. All right, so let's keep going with color. You have a choice. Within the table, you're going to be able to place different colors in the background within the table. So let's click behind it's easier just to select the one of the words and just place your cursor behind that word. And if you go over here at the top where it says background color, hover over at your ribbon where it says background color, and we're going to actually change the color. I'm going to make it a little subtle color here. Now, if you want to make it all different, that's fine. Oops. I'm going to go to my undo button. If you want to go to the, if you want, like, this is green, but you want purple or red or whatever, that's totally up to you. This is your poster. I want you to play with the colors. If you want to play with the colors, be my guest. I'm going to use this color. It's a nice soft look that I'm trying to create. Just a nice little soft look. And I'm pretty happy with it. All right, so that's what you do for that one. Here we have our background. Okay, so it's really, really, really shaping up now. Okay, I really like this. All right, now it's one last step that I want us to do is I want us to go all the way to the left side of our screen, and you're going to select File, and then you're going to move down to Page Setup. Okay, so let's go to Page Setup. Now, after you've gone to Page Setup, Page Color, you're going to select another color. Now, I have green here, but if you want to change and have a different color, you can do that. I might decide to do that. Once you have made your selection, select OK, and that's it. And you have completed your poster. And if you want to add more elements to your poster, that'll be great. Once you have done that, you're going to click Share, okay? And make sure that you share it with me. You know how we normally do it. So you share with Miss Phillips, and then you select Done. And I look forward to seeing your posters. Okay, you guys have fun.